Hi, I'm Stefania, and welcome back to Pace Law Firm. We're here again to talk with immigration lawyer Andy Semichuk. Andy, let's talk about some of the issues people may have when they pick up the phone to call a lawyer. The first one is probably cost. Tell us a bit about this.
Generally, the cost of a lawyer is in proportion to the amount of work that's put in on a file. And it's very competitive. There are all kinds of lawyers, immigration lawyers around, and also consultants who handle immigration matters. And then, of course, there are notarios and others who aren't authorized to act but somehow get into the business. But on the legal side, in terms of those people who are authorized, because it's so competitive, the fees are reasonable. In our case, certainly they're reasonable and competitive with what other fees you might encounter out in the marketplace.
Andy, how long do immigration cases normally take, say a work visa or a spousal sponsorship application?
Time is always an issue when you're applying for immigration. You want to get through as quickly as possible. And one of the great advantages of talking to lawyers that are skilled in immigration is to pick the right way to go. Often people pick the wrong way, or ways that seem so good, but then find out that it takes 2, 3, 4, 5 years to get the papers processed. So one of the key advantages you have by using a lawyer is picking the correct way. And when you do work with a lawyer, hopefully the work will be done properly the first time, and the result will be your case will get through the system quicker than you may do it if you try on your own or work with someone who's not knowledgeable about the law or about the processing of cases.
Andy, there are a lot of immigration lawyers out there. What's the one thing you'd like people to know before they call you?
Well, one thing that makes me one out of 1,000 lawyers, unlike one just in 1,000 lawyers, is the fact that I'm qualified to practice both in the United States as a member of the New York and California bars, and in Canada as a member of the Ontario and BC bars. So that's my uniqueness. That's what I present to the marketplace. There are very, very few immigration lawyers who can practice in both jurisdictions and who have actually practiced in both jurisdictions as I have over the years. That's my unique selling proposition to people who want to deal with a lawyer.
Thanks, Andy. We'll talk to you again soon. Everyone else, be sure to check pacelawfirm.com for more information.